안녕하세요. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be turning these black soybeans into a refreshing, protein-packed Korean Kong-Guksu, which are noodles served in cold soybean broth. A perfect summery dish or when the weather's warm out, and or when you're just craving something different while refreshing, good tasting, and hearty at the same time. Although this dish has only two simple main ingredients, which are the black soybeans and the thin noodles, preparing this dish is a labor of love which requires some prep time. So keep that in mind when you're making this dish yourself at home, or just simply sit back, relax, and enjoy watching this video. Let's go. Okay, after you washed and have soaked the black soybeans overnight, they should have double in size and look something like this. Give them another rinse, put them in a pot to boil. Boil for about 10 minutes, rinse and let cool. Remember not to overboil because it's best to keep the soybeans somewhat firm to the bite. It's important to blend the soybeans extremely well. Make sure to blend the soybeans until you have an even, creamy consistency. Strain your mixture into a large bowl. Make sure that you're catching only the creamy extract and none of the lumpy or thicker parts of the blended liquid. So, during this process, please take your time and make sure you're only catching the creamy parts of the black soybean liquid blend. After you have julienne styled one fresh cucumber, put your desired amount of noodles into a pot to boil. Remember that these noodles cook fast, about 5 to 7 minutes or so. Promptly remove from the heat and then rinse in cold water. So now this dish is almost complete. Using a large bowl, plate the noodles as seen here, garnish with the pre-cut cucumbers, then generously add the creamy soybean blend to the noodles. Add salt for flavor to your liking, and finish it off with toasted sesame seeds. And there you have it, Korean Kong-Guksu. What a delicious experience from a dish consisting of simple ingredients. This is good, really good. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and see you on the next one.